very recently, one South Indian singer died in the old age. Who is that lady? The Nightingale of South India,
Janaki.
Janaki. Janaki.
Janaki. Correct, right? Yes, ma'am. Very recently, she died. Do you know she got one award? Central government announced Padma Shri or Padma Bhushan or some award. I didn't remember that, but award she got from central government. What this lady did is she rejected that award. Do you know the great singer Janaki? She rejected that award, Padma Shri or Padma Bhushan, some award or Padma Vibhushan. I don't know, some award. I didn't remember that award, but one award among these she rejected. Arey, what is the reason? Anyone aware? So she got award very lately. Central government has to recognize me, okay, early. It was too late. That's why I don't want this award. Like this example is enough, right? How the people are, okay, do you know, craving. How the people are eagerly waiting for appreciation. She's not an ordinary person, man. So do you know Nightingale of South India? That is the word. That is the word the people are going to use for that lady. Now observe that. Array, you recognized me too late. That's why I don't want this. Means I'm eligible at the beginning, at the earlier only. Are you getting my point? Is our concept is going to be connected with this example?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, friends. So everyone in the world, not just only for 25 or 30 members in this session, everyone in the world, 800 plus crores of the people, eagerly waiting for appreciation. The opposite person should consider this person as the important, should be appreciated, should be respected. That's a desire for everyone, man. Better to utilize that weapon, but in genuine way.